Hello children, let's learn about transport today. Water transport and air transport. We can travel on water without getting wet. Let's see and watch. Boat. We travel short distance on boat. We see near coastal area, river and lake. Ship is huge and carry goods and passenger from one country to another and one place to another. Submarine travel underwater. You cannot see it. Now we can travel up in the sky like birds. So let's learn about air transport now. Parachute. Parachute is made with special cloth. It flies with the help of air. Aeroplane. Aeroplane travel long distance, carry passengers. It has wings like birds. Helicopter. We see in the sky. It fly with the help of blade like fan. Hot air balloon. It float in the air. It gives you beautiful view of landscape. It contain heated air. Thank you. Watch again and learn the name of the transport.